Good morning, all. Your interest to know more and more about your own body has inspired me to do these videos. So, let me share the link between our own emotions and feelings on our body. Let us get started. If somebody is very arrogant and egoistic, what do we call them? Head weight. So, that arrogance and ego happens in this area. And if somebody is angry, that happens in this area. There is a painting of Shiva I've seen. He has third eye, and then fire comes out of his third eye, and he'll burn out Manmada. That is a sign that the anger is in this area. The sensations related to anger comes here, and the sadness and sorrow of anybody is felt here. Even if I'm talking on phone, if I'm crying, the other person can understand my voice is not right. So there's something jams in the throat when we are sad or sorrowful. The next thing is, if somebody is so anxious, having lots of fear about future, they don't know what, if the share market goes down, they will get a heart attack. Yes, the sensations related to anxiety, fear happen in the heart region. And also, if somebody is having a lot of hatred, where does this happen? Yes, in the heart. Imagine there is a person who is really greedy about the money. Say, for example, there is Seth Chaman Lal. It's a big stomach. And if somebody is so jealous, they call it fire in the stomach in my language. Jealousy happens in stomach area. The sensations of those emotions happen in stomach area. And next thing is, if somebody is very too many desires, they want this also, that also, they want money also, fame also, this sofa also, everything, the desires happen in the 6 inches below the stomach. The sensations happen 6 inches below the stomach. And if somebody is very lazy, if anyone is so laid back, don't want to do anything, the sensations are, they're grounded, no? They don't want to get up and do anything. They call couch potatoes in here. That sensation happens at the base of the spine. Now I have a good news for you. The same laziness could be converted to enthusiasm from the same place. See, for Ganesh Chaturthi or any festival, people dance for the beats of the drums. Where do you think the energy comes from? Yes, from the base of the spine. And there is another thing I would like to say. Somebody who is very creative, who innovates new dishes, songs, painting, drawing, that also happens from 6 inches above the base of the spine. The next thing is, the good news is, if somebody is so generous, in Telugu we call cool stomach, challani talli. They are very much giving. Lots of generosity. If you see Santa Claus, he has a lot of generosity. He gives gifts. He is always giving. He also have a big stomach. Laughing Buddha, who is very joyful, he also has a big stomach. And we have not only Santa Claus, Ganesh, he is also a very happy person. So the happiness and joy and generosity, the sensations happen around the stomach. As you all know, where does the heart happen? Yes, the love happen? In the heart. Yes, love happens in the heart. Many lovers depict it by showing my heart is for you. They sing songs, there are thousands of songs on lovers and love. The sensations happen in the heart. And when you're so full of thankfulness, you want to thank somebody, you can't speak, you can't express it enough. Something stops in the throat. So the thankfulness happens in the throat area. The next one is, if you're very alert, if you're doing something which a lot of focus, what happens? The eyebrows come like this. That is the focus. The awareness happens in between the eyebrows. Where the same anger happens, the alertness also happens in between the eyebrows. Last but not the least is the bliss. Ask a newly married couple. Lots of bliss in the head. They're relaxed, nothing bothers, everything is beautiful, everything is rosy, nice. Whole creation will dance with them. That happens here. So, the good news is, with the click of the finger, it takes so less time to transform one emotion to another.